Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can save CapCut PC projects. So if you new user of this app, CapCut video editor for PC version, and you still don't know how you can export your projects, it's very easy to do. So all you have to do just edit your project first. Just do edit some basic. For example, add text. Like this, and after that you can export by click export button at the top of your screen. This one, click it. So you can name it your project first, and then the resolution. You can choose the resolution. This is full HD, or you can go with 4K, but you have to notice this. You have to pay attention about the size. Size will increase here if you only HD or 1080 pixels, you got 10 megabyte, but if you go with 4K, you got 25 megabyte. Then bitrate, leave it recommended. Codec, leave it recommended. And format, you can go with MOV or MP4. It's up to you. The frame rate, you can increase it, go with the 60 fps, and the size about increase also. So also you can check the copyright here if you need. So usually if you add sound on your video on your projects, so you can export by click export button here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.